The year was 2014. The streets were already buzzing with the infectious energy of Zimdancehall. Mbare, Stungwiza, and Zivarasekwa were leading the charge. But the neighborhood of Highfield was about to make a statement. And that's when Simba Bodyslam Chakare, from his newly established studio, brought in a top-tier producer, PTK. Together, they unleashed a monster project, the Bodyslam Riddim. When this rhythm dropped, it wasn't just a project. It was a national anthem. Young and seasoned artists alike delivered pure fire. Youngsters, Ras Pompy and Tipsy, switched up the tempo, whilst Magical proved the rhythm was made just for him, putting his hood on the map. Shinso Man and Yours brought that classical, lyrical mischief, like a Tom and Jerry showdown.
PTK, who's the DJ? I pull a Riddims and that's it when it
Tatsman came through, signaling that the Zimdancehall bus was fully loaded with no space for anyone else. And maybe he got off a little too soon. And then there was Soul Jah Love, who brought his A game, whilst his then arch-rival Say Colors went for the bank with two undeniable hits, Wirumboko and Kwatinova. Every single track on the rhythm became an instant hit. Killer T was a late entry, but he arrived with his lyrical prowess narrating his legendary Haifa performance. Terminator, Tally B, Quality, Muffcat, and Mega Vinton, now known as Makangula, all waxed lyrical with effortless skill. The Bodyslam Riddim did more than just create songs. It launched new artists into stardom and solidified the catalogs of established ones. It created an earworm melody that has stayed in our heads for over a decade. To this day, whenever a song from this project plays, both the young and old get into a vibe and the dance floors light up. It's more than music. It is one of the biggest rhythms in Zimdancehall history and ushered in a generation of superstars. It's a permanent piece of our Zimdancehall history.